Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you essay on Atmanirbhar Bharat in English. So it is very easy and simple. So let's start the video. Self-reliance refers to a person's condition that he not depend on other person for any work. Self-reliance is a positive word. It is very important for a person, family, society or country. If the person is self-reliant, then he will have less need for help from others. A self reliant person can face times of trouble more strongly. The same thing also applies to the country. Our country is very large and abundant resources are available here. We are able to produce any of the smallest and greatest items inside the country. There is also no shortage of skilled youth in our country, but their enthusiasm is needed. If this happens, then our country can also become self reliant. During the recent corona epidemic, the government announced the Self Reliant India campaign. As a result, now it is become very easy to start any industry. In the early days of the corona epidemic, we depended on China for PPE kits, sanitizers, and face masks. But now all these things started being produced in our own country. The country has many advantages to be self reliant. The production of goods in our country will increase the industries. People will get employment by getting more industries. Unemployment will be eliminated from the country and the poverty rate will also be reduced. The country's economy will also be strong. We will not have to depend on another country for anything. Imports in the country will be less and exports will increase. If the production of goods in the country is high, then it can be exported to other countries also, so that the foreign currency also come in the country. Recently, other steps have also taken by the government to create a self-reliant India. But in the race to become self-reliant, we also have to take care of some important things. Before starting any industry, there is a need to understand the impact it has on the environment. Might it not be that we make our country self reliant, but don't leave it worth living? It has been observed that the country which start progressing compromises with the protection of the environment. Along with the industrial sector, we also have to follow the environmental friendly policies of our country. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please comment below. So see you in the next interesting video. Goodbye.